Ever found the perfect item on Taobao only to realize they won't ship it to you? Frustrating, right? That's where we come in. CssBuy is your personal shopping agent for China's biggest online marketplaces. Think of us as your local friend in China. You find the item, we buy it, store it, check it, and ship it straight to your door, hassle-free. Here's how it works. It's super simple. First of all, head to the registration page to create your account. Next, find the items you want. Search directly on Taobao or even Reddit. Once you have a link, just paste it into CssBuy, or you can search right on our site. Whatever works best for you. Got the item? Great. Pick your size or color, add it to your cart, and check out. You can choose extra services like free quality check photos, priority purchase, or special packing. After you've filled up your cart, proceed to checkout and use one of our many payment methods, or you can use your CssBuy balance to check out. By the way, CssBuy has the best currency exchange rate across all agents, which means you'll save up to 15% of your money if you switch to us. Bet you didn't know that! Now it's time we do the rest. Our team contacts the seller, buys your item, and stores it safely in our warehouse, free for 90 days. When it arrives, we take clear QC photos so you know exactly what you're getting. When you're ready, ship your haul. Combine all your items, enter your address, and select a shipping method. Then scroll down to fill out your invoice. If you're unsure what to fill out here, you can ask our customer service. Moving forward, select your packaging materials and services, such as priority shipping or extra protection items. Finally, you can book our shipping insurance for just 3% of the haul's value. The insurance covers all sorts of situations in case something goes wrong, such as losses, returns, seizes, delays, and damages. Then relax. We'll handle packing and send it out in 24 to 48 hours. You can also use our mobile app to do all of this from the comfort of your fingertips. Using the app allows you to search for items, place orders, submit packages, contact our support, and receive notifications in real time. And don't worry, our customer support is always here for you. Join our Discord, ask questions, win giveaways. We've got your back every step of the way. So why limit your shopping? Sign up today, unlock China's biggest deals, and let CssBuy handle the rest. Happy shopping!